Part 8. Area of square, rectangle and triangle. You will find this on page 252 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Area. Area is the size of a surface. This surface. It helps to imagine how much paint would cover the shape. So how much paint will cover the shape. The area of the rectangle on the right is 6 centimeters square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In primary school, we learned how to find the area of a square and a rectangle. Let's just revise it. The area of a square will be side times side, and the area of a rectangle will be length times breadth. Now, we will learn how to find the area of a triangle, parallelogram, and rhombus. Triangle. The area of a triangle ABC is half of a rectangle ABCD. So basically, if I just cut that little part and I just fit it in there, it will fit exactly. But it's not the full rectangle, it's only half the rectangle. And that's why the formula is half area of the rectangle. So it's half 3 times 2. So it's 3 and 2 and it's half of that. So, and that will give me 3 centimeter square. Now, in a triangle, we call the length the base. So the one at the bottom was the length and we call it the base. And the breadth, this breadth was the height. The height must be perpendicular to the base. The area of a triangle is half of the base times the height. So this is the formula for the area of a triangle. It's half base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Now, let's just look here. Take note, the base and the height in the following triangles are given. So if this is the base, then this will be the height. It must make the 90 degrees. And if this is the base, then this will be the height. And if this is the base, then this will be the height. So this is just in that picture. But the height can also be outside. So if this is the base, then that top point must just make 90 degrees if you extend it with a dotted line with the base. So again, if this is the base, then this will be the height. Because if I extend the line of the base, then it must make 90 degrees with the height. And again, if this is the base, then this will be the height. Any side of the triangle can be the base, but the height must be perpendicular to the base. Okay, let's look at an example. Name the base for the given height in each figure. Okay, so here is the height, so this will be the base. Okay, AC. So look, if this is the height, then what? This will be the base, QR. Okay, and look, if this is the base, then this will be the height, MH. And let's look at this one. If this is the base, then this, XW, will be the height. Okay, I want you in the following, because this is very important that you can name it correctly, because remember the area of a triangle is half base times height. Okay, so do number 8, all of them, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Try now 13. Okay, name the base for the given height in each triangle. So this is the height, then this will be the base. So we can say here, the base, and that will be LN. Okay, and if I look at the second one, look, this is the height, so then this will be the base. Then that will be XY. So the base will be XY. So it was this one and it was this one. Okay, let's do the next one. Name the height for the given. So if I must name the height, this is the base. Can you see? So now I must look for one that's 90, and that will be what? That will be CD. It will be this one. So if I must just say the height, and that will be DC. That's the first one. And then the second one, let's just look. This is the base, then this will be the height, and that will be PQ. So the height will be PQ. Okay, let's go to the examples. Okay, now let's look at an example. Find the area of each shaded triangle. So in this triangle, I will just look. This will be the base. So remember, the base will be 20 plus 20. You can write it in here, 40. And this will be the height, the 21. So it's half base times height, so 40 times 21, and that will be my answer. This is my base, and this is my height. So it's just half, 16 times 15. If I look at this one, this is my base, and this is my height. So again, I just add that 2 for the base, that's 43, and that's the height. And then this one, if I look at this one, I just want to see this is my base, and this is my height. And that one I just ignore. It's not necessary for the sum. So this base will be 54, and the height will be 34. Okay, let's do, I want you to do try now 14. And again, I want you to stop the video, do the sums, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. So try now 14. Let's start with number A. Okay, find the area of the shaded. So this is easy. I can take this, the base, and this, the height. So the area of I can write triangle. And that's half times base times height. So that will be half. So what is the base? The base is 12. What is the height? The height is 4. And if I just multiply that, I will get 24 centimeter square. Remember, it's area. That's why it's centimeter square. If I look at this one, let's just do number B. Again, I can take this as my base and this as my height. I just want the shaded. So again, the area of a triangle will be half times base times height. So it will be half times, what will be the base? The base will be 16. What will be the height? That will be 12. And if I multiply it, it's 96 centimeter square. Okay. And then the next one, if I look at this one, we can just move it up a little bit. That will be number C. So again, if I look, I can make this my base and I can make this my height. I must just add it up. And 9 plus 11, that will be 20. So if I'm just going to say again, the area of the triangle, it's going to be half times base times height. And that's going to be half times 20 times 29. And that will give me an answer of 290. And that will be centimeter square. And now I'm going to just do the final one. That will be D. Okay, so again, I just want to need a color. This will be my base, and then this one will be my height. So again, I'm going to say the area of the triangle. It's again half base times height. So it's half times, and the base will be 28. And the height will be 13. And if I multiply that, I will get 182 centimeter square. And that, just want to see if that centimeter square didn't come out nice. So it's centimeter square. And that's my final answer.